Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and taking the time to watch my videos. I do truly appreciate it. Make sure you leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. As you can see from the description, we have a new subscription to unbox today, and that is Jeweled by Jupiter. This is the November 2018 box, so I'm excited to dive in here and see exactly what this subscription is all about. It is $26.99 a month, and I know you receive 3 jewelry items. You do also receive fun fashion accessories and beauty and grooming items. So we'll just get in and we'll see what it's all about. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And yeah, let's dive in here and see what it's all about. So this was very kindly sent to me for review, so I do want to let you guys know that. So we open up the box and this is what it looks like. So we will peel back some paper. All right, so there were some cards on top, so we'll look at those in just a second, but this is what we see inside the box. So we will dive in there in just a moment. All right, let's see. It says, our jewelry subscription is top quality and with all of the trending styles you'll love. Each month you'll be gifted with 3 pieces of jewelry and accessories, a glow up card featuring self-care tips, positive affirmations, and life gems to motivate you to be good to yourself and live your best life. Members also get a birthday surprise gift and birthday card during their birthday month. Refer a friend and both of you get $10 off for 3 months. So that's awesome. And you can follow them on Instagram at Jeweled Jupiter. So let's see, what is this? Crowned by Jupiter. Luxury hair and lash. Queen, you have been crowned. All right, so it looks like they have some kind of new, maybe hair and lash extensions. It's crownedbyjupiter.com. So there is that. And then we have a card right here. And this says, warm thoughts can make the sun a little brighter, the sky a little bluer, and the world a little nicer. That is so cute. It's just a card. It's blank inside, so you could send that to someone. I love this. You are straight up magic. And then this says, stress less. We all need to do. Let's see. Move your thoughts to a small cottage. Close your eyes and think of a small cottage. Look around for a while and then move to the door. Open the door and let your thoughts from your head to the cottage. Let them flow as pictures, colors, or words, as many as you've got. When you're finished, close the door. Breathe deep 3 times with the thoughts in the cottage. Open the door. Now you can choose which thoughts you take with you and which you leave in the cottage. Remember to close the door when you leave. Stress comes from thoughts which pressurize both your mind and body. By detaching from bad thoughts, you give rest to your mind and body, thus being able to be more present. So that was okay. Absolutely. I'm all about stressing less. So let's dive in here and see. Let's see. Something smells amazing. I'm not sure what, but something smells absolutely amazing. Let's see here. All right, so we are just gonna start. I think this is what smells amazing. Yes, it's just a little, like, you know, the little drawer sachet, or you can put it in the closet under your car seat. So that was in there. I'm trying to see if it says the scent. I don't see a scent, but all I know is it smells really good. And it looks like it has acorns, cranberries. But yeah, it smells really, really good. And I am not sure. We have two things here. I am thinking maybe they're like shower steamers. I'm not sure. Jasmine, honeysuckle, and citrus mint. They both smell really good. But yeah, I'm thinking these are like shower steamers, which are great. I love shower steamers. So awesome. And then this looks great. This is like, it feels super thick. This is from Garnier Skin Active. This is new Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. The super hydrating mask, glow boosting, intensely hydrates, gives skin a luminous complexion and healthy looking radiance. I'm trying to see because I swear it looks like it is. Gently press mask on the face with the blue protective film visible on the outside of your face. Peel off the blue film, adjust, smooth out the mask to fit the contours of your face, leave on for 15 minutes. Okay. So here is that, because it just feels very thick for like a sheet mask. So but maybe that's why it's Moisture Bomb. It's like really gonna do something in there. So that's awesome. Love sheet masks. So let's get to the jewelry. So we have 3 boxes. This box is the smallest one, so we'll start with this one. Oh, and y'all, this is beautiful. This is like really beautiful. It does not fit my finger. I'm not sure what size this is, but this looks like maybe like a size 5. But it is still very, very gorgeous. It's gold, sparkly. Looks like little, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys a little better. Like little flowers or something. But it is, like I said, it is very beautiful. So that is gorgeous. This will be going to one of my nieces for sure, because like I said, I wear like a size 8 and that is clearly like a 5. Let's see, we have another box right here, and this is a bracelet. This is pretty. It's like a chain. It does have a little bit where you can adjust it. And then this gorgeous stone right here. That is so pretty. It's like simple but bold. I don't know. I really like this. And I like that stone. So there is the bracelet. And then we have one final product, which I'm assuming is a necklace because of the bag or the box. Oh, y'all, this is so pretty. All right. Look at that. That stone is gorgeous. And it's just so sparkly. And this necklace does also have here where you can adjust the length. But yeah, that is it's picking up the light beautifully. So that is gorgeous. And that obviously you could wear this necklace with that bracelet, that ring, and you've got a whole look. So that is super pretty. So I really, really like that it is a combination of gorgeous jewelry. We got a sheet mask. We got a card that we could send to someone. these two little motivational cards, shower steamers, and this really, really good smelling sachet to put somewhere. So I really like this. I think it is awesome. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, this is $26.99 a month. I will make sure to put a link down below to get you to their site if you would like to sign up. And otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you have not already. We do still have the 9 West giveaway going on for a little more than a week and a half now. So make sure you get entered into that. Otherwise, I will see you guys with the next video. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.